Imagine a high-tech factory in the Marvel Universe, tasked with producing parts for Stark Industries' new generation of Iron Man suits. However, as production begins, Tony Stark realizes that even the smallest flaws could mean the difference between success and catastrophic failure. To tackle this problem, he assembles a team of heroes with extraordinary skills in quality control and assurance, the Quality Avengers. Captain America, known for his unwavering commitment to standards and excellence, takes charge of quality fundamentals. He begins by rallying the team to understand what quality means in manufacturing. Captain America reminds the team that quality is defined by customer expectations and that every hero must do their part to meet those expectations. It's not just about how strong the shield is, Cap explains. It's about ensuring that the shield meets all the specifications every time. He also explains who defines quality and how customers, like Stark Industries, set the bar for success, whether it's Iron Man's armor or a batch of metal frames for the factory.
If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content.
Iron Man, with his advanced engineering knowledge, takes over the module on achieving consistent quality by controlling process inputs. Iron Man explains that quality isn't just achieved by luck. It's controlled through managing the 6 M's: man, machine, method, measure, material, and environment. Just like I need to control every aspect of my suit's design, Tony says, you need to control every input in the manufacturing process. He emphasizes that, just like his suit's arc reactor powers his armor, the right process inputs ensure the metal frames and parts are produced with consistent quality. Iron Man shares stories of his failed prototypes, illustrating the importance of keeping each component in check to avoid disasters. Black Panther takes charge of the monitoring quality module, drawing on the advanced technology of Wakanda. T'Challa explains how Wakanda's vibranium production is kept in check by constant monitoring and the use of precision tools. In the same way, workers in the factory must use vernier calipers and micrometers to measure dimensions accurately. In Wakanda, we don't just rely on instinct, Black Panther says. We rely on precise measurements to monitor every step of production. He demonstrates how quality metrics, like dimensional accuracy and surface finish, are essential to ensuring that metal parts meet their strict tolerances, just as vibranium must be carefully monitored to maintain its properties.
Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate.
Spider-Man swings in to handle measurement system analysis, MSA. Peter Parker, with his love for science, explains how to ensure that measurements are accurate and reliable. Spider-Man shows how he often has to rely on his Spidey sense to take quick and accurate readings of his surroundings. In manufacturing, however, workers must rely on MSA to ensure that the tools they use, like calipers and micrometers, are trustworthy. He teaches the team about repeatability and reproducibility, comparing it to how he must repeatedly shoot webs with precision to save the day. If my web shooters malfunction, I'm in trouble. If your measurement tools malfunction, your products are in trouble too. Dr. Strange, the Master of Time, guides the team through first-part verification and data analysis. Dr. Strange emphasizes how crucial it is to verify the first part produced in any manufacturing run, much like how he checks all possible timelines for the right outcomes. Before we commit to the future, Strange says, we must check the present. He instructs the workers on how to verify critical dimensions and analyze data trends, comparing it to how he reads the patterns of the multiverse to identify potential threats. Trends tell us more than just what's happening now. They show us what could happen in the future. The Hulk leads the practical demonstration, not through brute force, but by teaching the importance of precision in measurement. Bruce Banner, in his calm scientist persona, explains how delicate measurement instruments like vernier calipers and micrometers must be handled with care. Even though I'm the Hulk, I know that force isn't always the answer, Banner says. Precision is. He demonstrates the correct way to use these instruments, showing how careful and consistent measurements can prevent costly mistakes, whether you're crafting metal parts or saving the world. In the end, the Quality Avengers have worked together to improve Stark Industries' manufacturing process. By applying these quality control techniques, they ensure that every metal part produced is perfect, whether it's for the next generation of Iron Man suits or metal frame doors for buildings. With each hero's unique strengths, the team demonstrates that quality is not just about meeting standards, but exceeding them, just as the Avengers do every time they save the world.
I hope you found today's video helpful in gaining a better understanding of manufacturing, supplier, and quality engineering. I love to hear your thoughts on what topics you like me to cover. So feel free to share your comments below. If you find this video valuable, please share it with others who might benefit from it too. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to bring you a more insightful content in my future videos.